In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Priceline affiliate program. Whether you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or just getting started, becoming a Priceline affiliate can open doors to new revenue streams by collaborating with one of the most recognized names in online travel services. So, let's dive right in and walk through the steps to start earning through this program. First, you'll want to visit the Priceline Partner Solutions website. Head over to your web browser and type in PricelinePartnerSolutions.com. This site serves as a comprehensive resource for all things related to Priceline's affiliate offerings. As you navigate to this website, take a moment to explore the rich content available, which can give you further insights into the potential benefits of joining their affiliate team. Next, you'll need to find the affiliate sign-up page. Look for a link or a button labeled Become a Partner. This is usually easy to spot on the homepage. If you prefer, you can go directly to the application form by visiting PricelinePartnerSolutions.com, Become a Partner. This page provides detailed information about the partnerships and opportunities available to you as an affiliate, so give it a good read to fully understand the program's offerings. Now, it's time to complete the application form. This is a crucial step where you'll provide some key details. Be ready to fill in your personal information, such as your name and contact details. Additionally, you will need to include the URL of your website or platform where you plan to promote Priceline services. Think carefully about this, as it should be a space where you can effectively reach your intended audience. You'll also need to include a brief description of your promotional methods. This is your chance to showcase how you intend to market Priceline's services, so be clear and honest about your approaches and strategies. After you've filled in all the required fields, the next step is to submit your application. Double-check every detail before hitting that submit button to ensure everything is accurate and complete. Once submitted, your application will be reviewed by the Priceline team. The wait for approval comes next. It's important to be patient as the approval process can take a few days. During this time, Priceline will evaluate your application to determine if your promotional strategies align with their goals. Once your application is approved, you'll be granted access to a valuable array of tools, your very own affiliate dashboard, and a range of promotional materials. These resources will help you get started on your affiliate marketing journey with Priceline. And that's it. With these steps, you're well on your way to joining the Priceline affiliate program and tapping into a world of possibilities. Keep these guidelines in mind, and you'll be set up for a successful partnership. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck on your affiliate journey with Priceline.